Aww. Today is day 3 in Thailand. We are going off to breakfast and then we are changing our hotels, and we have booked a driver for the day, so we are actually going to go out and check out some of the sites.
Stars even shine my way. All the trees are waving hi to me and smiling. Everywhere I look around, every sight and every sound, there's a feeling that I found so free. It lifts me, take me away. Oh, what a day, swimming in rays of the sun. Hey, life, take me away. There's nothing that can be done when you're loving the feeling of fun.
So we just checked into the hotel and now we're off to the Big Buddha.
Cause I'm feeling so complete. Even halfway down the street they know the world glows. Feels like life just took me in, lifted me into a spin, left me feeling I can win today and always. Take me away, oh what a day, swimming in rays of the sun. Hey life, take me away. There's nothing that can't be done when you're loving the feeling of fun. When you're loving the feeling of fun.
Just about to walk up the Big Buddha.
And then I see a world in front of me. And from this view I feel so fine. I feel just like this world is mine. Sunshine really makes my day. Bright stars even shine my way. All the trees are waving hi to me and smiling. Take me away, oh what a day, swimming in rays of the sun. Hey life, take me away. There's nothing that can't be done when you're loving the feeling of fun. Take me away, oh what a day, swimming in rays of the sun. Hey life, take me away. There's nothing that can't be done when you're loving the feeling of fun.
We just got dropped off after the Big Buddha and now we're in Old Town Phuket. Hey Summer.
Do you hear the sea?
Yes.
Yeah. pineapple?
Watch out, the motorbike. Watch the motorbike. You don't really care, you're just eating your pineapple, are you?
Well, I officially love Phuket, old Phuket Town. It is adorable.
Go away.
Alright, so we've been dropped off at our hotel, but before we check in, we're going to go out and look for something to have for dinner.
Alright, after this, motorbikes.
Oh, she's losing two.
That's okay, hands a little.
But do you think that I like... Yeah, no. No, Dad, that's filming. I know. Which one are we at, Dad? Oh.
4.
So, like, I need to go. Ah, come on.
So we checked into our room, and when Dale checked in, we were told that we had bunks. But when we came in, there was just a couch and a like roll-away bed. So we asked about the bunks, and they came in and they set it up for us, and they took the roller bed away. And then this used to be a couch, and we were trying to return it to a couch so we could show you what it was, because we thought it was pretty impressive. But it turns out we can't turn it back into a couch. So let's just leave it as the bed. Look, watch this.
Definitely my bed. This is my bed.
Well, someone's made themselves comfortable, haven't they?
Hello, up here.
Where are you?
Hello.
And Kiara
And on the top.
has claimed the top.